bus? Hi, Lulu. Get on the bus. Where should I sit? Fasten your seatbelt. Thank you. Lulu is on the bus. Let's go. Next stop is the photo studio. We have arrived at the photo studio. Teacher asked us to take a photograph and bring it to class. Let's go take some photos.
Welcome! We want to take an admission photo. All right, let's go change clothes first. Adjust the distance and aim at the headshot frame. Thank you. Adjust the distance and aim at the headshot frame.
Thank you.